National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Clark County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Warren County in northwestern Virginia, the southwestern city of Winchester in northwestern Virginia, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stephen City, or near Winchester, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Winchester, Front Royal, Millwood Pike, Berryville, Stephen City, Middletown, Boise, White Post, Howellsville, Reliance, Darnell, Briggs, Millwood, Nineveh, Bethel, Chadarville, and Riverton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.